September, almost coming up on a year ago now, before we moved to Atlanta.
Yep.
Yep.
And then
Okay.
we officially started looking, what, in April?
Yep.
During COVID.
Yep.
And how did you come to find this neighborhood, or was it one of a few that you were looking at?
We actually ended up looking at the house across the street.
Oh, okay.
Didn't end up liking it, and then we looked across the street and saw your house, and absolutely were like, oh, I think we would like to just look at that one. And we
Wow,
walked across
cool.
the street and fell in love with it.
Managed to get inside that day and checked off all of the boxes that we were looking for. So it was awesome.
Do you guys remember what those boxes were?
We wanted a yard.
Yeah.
Beautiful backyard.
We had open concept kitchen. Loved the black and white, the accent wall, the huge master.
Yeah, I
especially
needed
the
a-
bathroom.
Yeah, I needed a master bathroom that was updated because a lot of those, a lot of the older houses, especially in the area,
Yes.
Very
that's
small.
a big find. That's a diamond in the rough for us.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that was biggest for me, along with some.
Yeah,
square footage of the
you
basement.
have a lot of houses in the neighborhood that have that tiny little 1960s bathroom.
Yep.
Yep. And
Yeah.
they're
That
all in the
was the
mid
tough.
400 range. Yeah, we knew we had to do that. That was one of the tough parts of redesigning that house, was
Yeah.
putting the master bath in.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
And with both of us, that wouldn't have worked with a 3x3 bathroom with a shower and a single sink right
No.
next to each other for sure.
Yeah.
So
had you seen other renovated properties before then, besides the one across the
I would
street?
say most of the homes we looked at were somewhat renovated. I mean, we weren't looking at any that people were currently living in. We wanted something that was pretty much done. We didn't want to have to do a lot of work to a home just because he's going to be traveling a lot for work.
yeah, and a lot of them we saw were quick flips. There were not too many walls moved.
Right.
They just updated what was there currently versus kind of changing things around, which I think was another big thing for us. You could tell that there was room created, not just kind of dressed up
Yeah.
quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Thank
Yep.
you. That means a lot to us.
Yeah.
So, well, awesome, guys. Well, I'm glad that you bought our house. We're very happy to sell it to you, and we hope it serves you well for a long time to come.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
we're excited.
Thank you.